Hello, I'm Robbie Russell, President of Focus Industries, and I'm here today to show you how to put together your brand new holiday T-bin. Your T-bins are going to come in bulk on a pallet, depending on the number of units that you need. Each unit will require 4 shelves, the square parts, and 8 of the risers. You'll also, right on top of your pallet, have a bag of hardware. If you've got a lot of units, that hardware may come in 2 bags. Inside these bags is an instruction sheet to put the unit together, which I'm going to show you here today, and 3 pieces of hardware. You've got a nail-in glide, you got a short dowel, and you got a tall dowel. Each unit will require 4 nail-in glides, 4 short dowels, and 12 long dowels. I'd recommend that you spread your parts out in your area and put them as close to where they need to go as possible so you don't have to move them once they're assembled. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to assemble one real quick. Start by taking 2 risers. As you can see, they've got slots in them. I'll do this kind of at an angle so that you can see. Just slot 2 of these pieces together. As so. A hammer will come in handy, but it's not necessary. Take your nail-in glides, which are the little nylon pieces. Hammer the nail-in glides about 1 inch from the end of each board. On all 4 corners. And then we'll take this part and we'll flip it over so that the glides are on the floor. Now this is the best time to go ahead and put this unit as close as possible to where it's going to ultimately be. Next we're going to take 4 of the long dowels. Make sure you can use the long ones. Put it in the 4 holes. These don't have to be hammered in hard or anything. They should be a good snug fit. And we're going to take our first shelf. Now while you're doing the shelves, some of these may have bottom written on them, like a little sticker, and like this one is scratched. If you have a part like that, go ahead and make sure that you put it face down, the scratches, and as low on the unit as possible. Once you get one of the dowels lined up, you just move the parts around until they all line up, and then push it down to a ceiling. You'll notice that the dowels stick up, which is where we'll take the next one. Next set of risers. Set them down on that. Make sure you put the slot up. And I'm pretty sure you can tell by now where we're going with this. Take another set of long dowels. There is a seam in each one of these shelves in the edging. If you've got a back side, it'd be good to line up all your seams in one direction. But to be honest with you, the seam should be nice and tight and not even be noticeable, so it may not matter. And we're just going to continue. On the last row, you're going to use the short dowels. Remember how the long dowels stuck up through the shelf? Well, on the top row, you use short dowels so that they don't stick up on the top of the unit. If you're not any taller than me, you may have to get a little step ladder to see where these holes are. And the last shelf goes up on top. And there you have a completely assembled holiday T-bin. As you can imagine, this is a fairly sturdy unit, but it is not advisable to move it while it is assembled. If you do have to move it, make sure that you use the risers at the very bottom to move it and that you just scoot it. Okay? Thank you very much and good luck.